Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys how can we enable portable hotspot setting in our Poco phone, and friend how can we use today. I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon guys and like my video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we enable portable hotspot setting in Poco phone guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see this tab of setting. So friends, click on guys your portable hotspot setting guys, tap here. First guys, we will enable right side. After enable guys, first option set up portable hotspot, we will click here. Guys, you can check your device name, you want to change your device name, so you can change from here. If you want guys, you want to change your password, so you can change from here. You want to add new password, you can add, means you can set your new password, and you can use your portable hotspot setting from here guys. And once you can see second option guys, share QR code guys, we will tap here. Guys, you want to share your hotspot, you can share from here guys in your Poco phone. And guys, sorry for this sound guys, ignore this sound guys. Done option. Guys, you can see one time data limit guys, tap here. Guys, you want to off, and guys you want to on your one time data limit setting, you can use from here. You can change guys your 100 like mbp, like mb 1 200, you can change from here guys. And as you can see your turn off hotspot automatically guys, you can on and off from here. So like that guys, you can enable your portable hotspot setting and you can use in your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.